about it. Keep going.
Come on, man.
OS.
Let me grab that. Let me have that. The girl looking kinda fat. Let me tap that. Like I'm Sammy Davis or I'm Elvis. Dick so long I be fucking up her pelvic. Be sucking on them feet, but catch me in the studio, I make them bomb ass beats. I don't even freestyle, but I write rhymes. And I got them quarters to them pounds to them dimes. And I got that white, it's so flaky, it's so chunky, have your nose feeling shaky. Walk around shaking, walk around baking. Hit me up later, say niggas what's shaking. Y'all don't understand that, but you need to get that. Got that 45 and break you off like a Kit Kat. Come and holler at the kid. Y'all know what it is, and y'all know just how I live.
Said he snapping like a Kit Kat. Niggas talking crazy off the kickback. Better talk it, cause when I flip stacks, niggas get mad like, yo, where did he get that? Thought he was broke. Look at the game and yo, they thought that he choked. And now these niggas know that this shit just woke. I am a beast when it comes to this shit. Every day is like Thanksgiving, nigga, I'm gon' feast. I was born for the limelight, and now they saying D-Bell got his grind right. Not only that, but a nigga in his hindsight still got his mind right. Nigga seeing 2020.
That's just a little bit. SMU all day. SMU all day. And you see that. That's real studio shit.